Tobelanda uwe ewela makosi da cheni and Hanyang. Now, why do you see a lot of us burp a lot, or healers, or soon to be healers, burping? Now, the reason for the burping, when we are burping with the ancestors, the spirits, and our guides. We are burping with them. Now, the burps are functioning, right, as an alarm, alerting the spirit world and the living world know that they are together as one. That is why we burp. Now, these burps are not voluntary. We don't force them. They are involuntary. They are physical indication, right? You can physically see that someone is in the presence of the spirit. It is just alerting others, right? Alerting others. You're just showing people outside that you are in the presence of the spirits, the great ones. That is why we burp. That's why we burp. And these burps, they are coming in different ways for different people. The way their ancestor spirits and guides talk to them, now it becomes different. The way that we burp, the way the burps happen, and when they happen, and how they happen, and what causes them to happen at that particular moment in time. There are reasons for different situations that will cause you to burp, right? But the reason for burping is that we are burping with the ancestors, the spirits, and our guides. And Daruwe Avus.